Basics of Extended Producer Responsibility, a path towards circularity for flexible packaging. The Flexible Packaging Association is the leading advocate and voice for the growing flexible packaging industry. Flexible packaging has evolved over the years to meet the ever-changing needs of consumers. Today's packaging films are highly engineered materials with many technical advancements designed to perform a variety of tasks while being one of the most sustainable ways to protect and preserve products through distribution. The inherent advantages of flexible packaging have made it the preferred packaging solution for many goods that consumers have come to love. In fact, the advantages of flexible packaging have driven it to be on par with corrugated packaging as the largest packaging segment in the United States. It makes up approximately 21%, or $45.1 billion of the $211 billion U.S. packaging market. In addition, flexible packaging directly employs over 83,000 people in facilities across the country. Flexible packaging is a solution to many issues experienced with alternative materials like glass and rigid plastic. It can be used for a wide variety of applications, while at the same time reducing costs, increasing safety, offering design versatility, addressing convenience, and promoting sustainability. Flexible packaging has a minimal carbon footprint as compared to other packaging. The manufacturing process requires less materials, energy, and water, and produces fewer emissions. It is extremely lightweight and takes up less space, reducing transportation and shipping costs, as well as associated emissions. The recycling potential versus the landfill waste generated is also significant. So, what is the obstacle? To do all these amazing things, flexible packaging often includes layers of many different materials, which makes recycling flexible packaging more challenging. In the last few years, the flexible packaging industry has made tremendous progress in its efforts to redesign for recyclability. Many packaging companies now offer alternative specifications that are designed to maintain the performance of traditional flexible packaging while being compatible with current recycling processes. Improving the end of life in flexible packaging further reduces the environmental impact and can help brands achieve their sustainable development goals. Recycling of flexible packaging also allows its producers the opportunity to reincorporate the recycled material, thereby enabling true circularity. Unfortunately, the current U.S. infrastructure for recycling was not designed for flexible packaging. This means that collecting recyclable flexible packaging is generally limited to consumer drop-off programs that may not be convenient and only take specific plastic films. This leads to low participation rates, despite being available to the vast majority of the U.S. population. This leaves consumers confused about what to recycle and where to recycle it, leading to a low participation rate and a limited amount of recycled film. So how can we get more flexible packaging recycled and achieve circularity? It comes down to infrastructure investment. This is where well-crafted Extended Producer Responsibility, or EPR, can play a role. EPR shifts the financial responsibility for the recycling and composting of packaging from taxpayers to brand owners who put the packaged goods on the market. As a result, dedicated funding for the recycling and composting of all packaging types, including flexibles, is available, and brand owners have access to recycled content material. So, this all sounds great, but how does it work? A Producer Responsibility Organization, or PRO, is formed to manage the system with government oversight and enforcement. The PRO collects fees for packaging put on the market by brand owners and ensures investment in recycling and composting infrastructure. Thus, well-crafted EPR has the ability to modernize the U.S. recycling system and include all of the packaging types used today, such as flexible packaging. It's a reasonable approach that is working in other parts of the world. EPR legislation can make recycling and composting easier, boost investment in infrastructure, positively impact the environment by reducing packaging waste, improve circularity for all packaging, and promote progress for the U.S. recycling system as a whole. To learn more about EPR legislation, visit flexpack.org/advocacy.